Welcome to the 10th episode of the Medical Affairs Digest podcast, where we explore the evolving world of medical affairs and innovation. Throughout this series, we uncover the trends and transformations shaping the future of global pharma. I'm excited to guide you through today's discussion, the future of medical science liaisons, navigating the digital frontier. This episode looks at how the MSL role is evolving in response to digital transformation. Once defined by in-person engagement, today's MSLs combine scientific expertise with digital fluency, using data and virtual tools to deliver deeper, more agile scientific exchange. We'll explore how new platforms such as the Virtual Platform for Scientific Events and the Virtual Advisory Board Platform are reshaping communication, expanding reach, and driving collaboration in a connected healthcare ecosystem. Welcome to the Medical Affairs Digest podcast. Let's get started. Over the last decade, the pharmaceutical industry has undergone one of its most profound paradigm shifts, accelerated by digital disruption, remote engagement, and the democratization of medical information. Within this evolving ecosystem, the Medical Science Liaison, MSL, has emerged not only as a conduit of scientific exchange, but also as a strategic partner in unlocking value through real-time, insight-driven engagement. Most healthcare professionals, HCPs, now favor virtual or hybrid interaction models with pharma companies. The MSL's traditional field-based function is being reimagined. Today's MSLs must seamlessly integrate face-to-face excellence with digital mastery, leveraging data, platforms, and virtual tools to enhance the value of their scientific contributions. Digital Frontier is redefining the MSL role, and innovative solutions, such as Virtual Investigator Platform, Virtual Platform for Scientific Events, and Virtual Advisory Board Platform, are facilitating this transformation. The Digital Tsunami, Reshaping Healthcare and Pharmaceutical Engagement. The digital wave sweeping across healthcare is not incremental, it is exponential. Telehealth adoption has surged, transforming how patients and providers connect. Simultaneously, the proliferation of wearable devices, AI-enabled health apps, and algorithm-driven diagnostics is generating unprecedented volumes of data. For HCPs, the abundance of online medical content and peer forums has shifted the locus of scientific discourse from physical meetings to digital touchpoints. Pharmaceutical companies must now adapt their medical engagement strategies to these evolving dynamics. The rise of asynchronous communication, the ubiquity of virtual platforms, and the demand for customized, data-informed dialogue have elevated the role of digital channels. Consequently, MSLs must now operate across both physical and digital arenas, using platforms not only to disseminate scientific information, but also to curate, personalize, and contextualize their engagements in ways that are impactful and aligned with HCP preferences. The MSL role, reimagined, navigating the digital landscape. Evolving engagement strategies. The post-pandemic model of medical engagement is distinctly hybrid. While in-person interactions retain value, digital engagement is no longer a fallback, but a parallel strategic channel. MSLs are increasingly adapting a blend of synchronous virtual meetings and asynchronous digital touchpoints, ensuring sustained scientific exchange irrespective of geography or scheduling constraints. Leveraging cutting-edge digital platforms. Virtual Platform for Scientific Events and Virtual Advisory Board Platform exemplify this shift. These tools empower MSLs to deliver scientific insights at scale, create interactive forums for real-time discussion, and facilitate data capture across engagements. Unlike traditional models, these platforms enable MSLs to remain continuously connected to KOLs, respond rapidly to scientific queries, and effectively support clinical conversations. Expanding skill sets for the digital age. The digitally capable MSL is as proficient with webinar tools, CRM systems, and content management platforms as they are with clinical trial data and disease state knowledge. Mastery of virtual communication tools, from moderating virtual roundtables to facilitating online Q&A, is now essential. Moreover, the ability to interpret digital engagement metrics, extract insights, and feed them into strategic planning processes elevates the MSL's impact within cross-functional teams. Ethical fluency in digital compliance, privacy regulations, and platform governance further ensures that all interactions maintain scientific integrity. New horizons and responsibilities. MSLs are now expected to engage not just with traditional key opinion leaders, but also with digital opinion leaders (DOLs), a growing cohort of scientifically credible voices with strong online influence. This digital engagement requires nuanced strategies that differ from conventional relationship building. Additionally, MSLs are contributing to the co-creation of digital content, supporting the production of webinars, podcasts, and virtual symposia, often hosted through the company's proprietary platforms. The ability to use insights gathered from digital engagements to tailor future interactions and develop targeted support programs is fast becoming a core capability. Empowering MSLs, leveraging the innovative digital solutions. The Virtual Platform for Scientific Events. Virtual Platform for Scientific Events offers a purpose-built, compliant space for high-quality scientific exchange. Designed with the modern MSL in mind, it supports real-time presentations, on-demand access to content, virtual poster halls, and interactive breakout sessions. Reducing logistical barriers and increasing accessibility ensure broader HCP participation and deeper engagement. MSLs can use the platform to deliver impactful virtual symposia, moderate panel discussions, and host therapeutic area updates, all while gathering feedback, monitoring participation metrics, and assessing content resonance. The platform's analytics suite enables real-time assessment of HCP engagement, equipping MSLs with data to refine their messaging and outreach. The Virtual Advisory Board Platform. The Virtual Advisory Board platform redefines collaborative insight generation. It supports structured, compliant, and interactive discussions between HCPS and pharmaceutical stakeholders, offering tools for secure data sharing, asynchronous feedback loops, and longitudinal follow-up. MSLs are pivotal in these advisory boards, presenting clinical evidence, eliciting expert input, facilitating consensus, and synthesizing learnings for cross-functional application. The digital format broadens participation and accelerates the feedback cycle, turning insights into strategic action more rapidly. Synergy in action. Together, these platforms provide a seamless ecosystem that empowers the MSL of the future. Whether delivering a scientific update to hundreds of clinicians or capturing qualitative insights from a focused advisory board, these tools enhance efficiency, extend reach, and amplify the scientific impact of MSLs. They also ensure alignment with compliance requirements and enable the integration of qualitative and quantitative engagement metrics into broader medical strategies. Essential adaptations and strategies for future MSL success. Mastering digital tools and technologies. MSLs must develop fluency in various digital tools, including CRM systems, data visualization platforms, and specialized scientific engagement platforms like the Virtual Advisory Board platform. Familiarity with virtual event hosting protocols, content management systems, and data analytics dashboards is no longer optional. It is foundational. Proactively identifying new tools and workflows that optimize engagement will distinguish high-performing MSLs in the digital era. Cultivating exceptional virtual communication skills. In digital settings, clarity, brevity, and visual storytelling are paramount. MSLs must learn to communicate complex data compellingly through virtual formats, adapting tone and delivery style to maintain engagement. Building rapport in remote environments requires intentional effort, leveraging video, interactivity, and follow up to replicate the intimacy of in person discussions. Driving insights with data. One of the most underutilized assets of digital engagement is the data it generates. MSLs, equipped to analyze participation metrics, content heat maps, and qualitative feedback from digital events, can transform these insights into tailored scientific strategies. By understanding patterns in HCP behavior and preferences, MSLs can anticipate needs, personalize content delivery, and become indispensable strategic partners to both healthcare professionals and internal stakeholders. Fostering seamless internal collaboration. Digital engagement cannot exist in silos. MSLs must work closely with IT, digital marketing, regulatory, and compliance teams to ensure that platforms are deployed effectively and that content is optimized for digital consumption. A collaborative approach ensures consistent messaging across all digital touchpoints and positions the MSL as a linchpin in orchestrating coherent, multi-channel engagement strategies. Embracing continuous learning and agility. Technology evolves quickly, and so must the MSL. Ongoing training, certification in digital tools, and active participation in digital engagement pilots are essential for staying ahead. Equally, agility in adapting to emerging digital trends, such as immersive technologies, real-time analytics, and AI-assisted engagement, will future-proof the MSL role and ensure continued relevance. Navigating the challenges of a digital-first world. While digital transformation offers unprecedented opportunities, it also presents unique challenges. Building trust in virtual environments requires a higher degree of intentionality. Digital fatigue, particularly among HCPs inundated with webinars and virtual meetings, can decline engagement unless content is tightly focused, relevant, and delivered in a high-value format. Compliance remains a critical consideration. MSLs must navigate a complex web of data privacy laws, promotional boundaries, and regional regulations when using digital platforms. Furthermore, accurately assessing the ROI of digital MSL activity requires robust metrics and alignment with broader medical strategy KPIs. Finally, organizations must address the digital divide among HCPs to ensure equitable access to digital engagement opportunities. Conclusion: the empowered future of the medical science liaison. The role of the MSL is not only secure in the digital age, it is ascending. By embracing cutting-edge platforms, refining digital skill sets, and delivering insight-led, compliant scientific engagement, MSLs are poised to become even more critical to the success of pharmaceutical medical affairs. The future MSL is a hybrid expert, scientifically grounded, digitally fluent, and strategically impactful. With tools like Virtual Platform for Scientific Events and Virtual Advisory Board Platform, MSLs can extend their reach, amplify their influence, and elevate the quality of scientific exchange across the industry.